How to fix Play Store pending download. In this video guys, we will talk about how to fix this on your Google Play Store. Just watch this video till the end. So now, and first go and open the settings of your phone and then go directly to apps. Here on apps, search only for Google Play Store. When you found it, open it like this and then go to storage option. Here what you should do, go to clear data, click OK and go back and click on for stop and click OK and go now set as a default here, and you have to turn off it and turn on this, and that's it, your problem will be fixed. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel. See you in another video.